Wednesday, April 4, 2024. Thursday, within octave of Easter. Focus. As they were talking about these things, Jesus himself stood among them. The risen Christ meets his disciples amidst their doubts and fears. He is there when they are troubled and are discussing various things about him that they cannot understand. In the first reading, we see that the people are utterly astounded at the miracle performed by Peter and John. The lame beggar is healed in the name of the risen Christ, whose name is majestic in all the earth. The risen Jesus is fully present with his disciples in the simplest of ways, from eating fish to giving them spiritual nourishment, healing the infirmities to the people through the two apostles. Is not this a relief for us believers that we can experience Jesus our Lord in various things, whether in our daily course or in other simple tasks, or through spiritual activities, or by being healed of our illnesses? We do not have to wait for a great miracle to experience Him. As I live my life, the Lord does not accept the extraordinary from me. Instead, He invites me to offer Him the ordinary with an extraordinary heart to experience His presence. It can be something as simple as a piece of broiled fish, fruit. As I live my life, let me offer the Lord whatever I have, with no strings attached, in order to experience His merciful love.